Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Let me welcome you all to another video in this personal interview or HR interview preparation series. And today we are going to discuss a very important question, which is what are your strengths and weaknesses? Okay, so let us start. So whenever you will be asked about your strength in an interview, you can mention about your adaptability, how quickly you can adapt to any particular work culture or work environment. You can mention about that. You can also mention about your quick learning abilities, क्योंकि जब आप लोग कॉर्पोरेट पे जाओगे यू विल नॉट हैव मच टाइम टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स, यू हैव टू लर्न वेरी क्विकली. सो इफ यू हैव दैट एबिलिटी टू लर्न क्विकली, it is going to be beneficial for any organization. You can also mention about your problem solving and convincing skills. These are also very important for any company. You can also mention about your presentation and communication skills. Communication skills are very important from any placement's point of view. And if you are a good communicator, then obviously you can mention that as your strength. You can say you are a good team player. You can give an example also wherever you have contributed to your team with your best ability or your best potential. You can also mention about your leadership skills. If you have led any team anytime in your life, you can mention about that. And you can also mention about your time management skills so that they can form an idea that you can do multiple tasks at a time. And you can also say that you are a self-motivated person. So these are the few strengths which you can mention as your strength in an interview. But before saying any of this point as your strength, first you have to figure out कि इनमें से कौन सा point आपका strength actually में है. Okay? Now before proceeding further, let us look at some points to remember. Okay, so while mentioning about your strengths, I recommend you to mention maximum 3 strengths, not more than that. Because if you mention more strengths about yourself, then the interviewer may think कि ये candidate अपने बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा ही तारीफ कर रहा है. Okay, so maximum 3 strengths recommended from my side. You can go out of the box. दूसरे candidates अपने बारे में जो strengths mention करेंगे, you did not necessarily mention those points as your strength as well. या फिर जो points मैंने अपने slide में दिखाया है, आपको ये mandatory नहीं है कि आप वही points बोले. You can mention something out of the box as well, जो पर्टिकुलरली आपके लिए ही यूनिक लगे इंटरव्यूअर को, राइट. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली, एड रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल्स. द थर्ड पॉइंट, एड रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल्स. जब भी आप किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट को बोलोगे एज योर स्ट्रेंथ, बी इट कन्विंसिंग स्किल, बी इट प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल, गुड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन स्किल, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, कुछ भी हो, एड ए रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल विद दैट. हाइपोथेटिकली ये मान लीजिए कि आपने आपका स्ट्रेंथ एज ए कन्विंसिंग स्किल बोला, ठीक है. नाउ द इंटरव्यूअर में आस्क यू कि give me an example where you have used your convincing skill. Okay, so you have to basically say कि आपने अपने convincing skill use करके किसको कब convince किया था और किसके लिए. Now let us see क्या क्या weaknesses आप mention कर सकते हो interview में. Okay, so in weakness section also I recommend you to mention maximum 3 weakness, not more than that. Okay, the first weakness which you will mention should be your genuine weakness. Okay, उसमें कुछ झूठ बोलने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. दैट शुड बी योर जेन्युइन वीकनेस. जो सेकंड वीकनेस आप बोलोगे, दैट शुड बी योर स्ट्रेंथ विच इज़ पोर्ट्रेड एज अ वीकनेस. ओके, आप ऐसा बोल सकते हो कि आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉर परफेक्शन एंड इन ऑर्डर टू अटेन परफेक्शन आई मिस द डेडलाइन, राइट. सो बीइंग परफेक्शनिस्ट is also one kind of strength basically, right? So second point, you can mention strength as a weakness. And the third point which you can mention as your weakness, it can be irrelevant. You can say that my handwriting is not good. Corporate life में they have to do nothing with your handwriting, right? Because वहाँ पे सारा सब कुछ computerized होता है. So third weakness should be irrelevant one. Okay, so since हम लोगों ने strengths और weaknesses के बारे में already बात कर लिया है, now let us see what you can say about your hobbies. While answering about your hobbies, you need to be safe. You need to give a very smart answer and you need to answer something which is interesting, eye-catching, worth discussing and long. Okay, कभी कभी ये होता है ना कि हम ऐसे ही रेज्यूमे में लिख देते हैं कि our hobby is reading, but hardly हम लोग बस 1 या 2 स्टोरी बुक ही पढ़े होंगे. So in that condition क्या होता है ना कि if the interviewer is a good reader, then he or she might ask you कि आपने कौन कौन सी राइटर की बुक पढ़ा है and what is the content in that particular book. Okay, so in that case आप लोग फंस जाओगे. So I recommend you to mention कुछ ऐसी हॉबीज़ जो हॉबीज़ के बारे में आपको ज़्यादा पता हो as compared to the interviewer. Okay, अगर आप साइकिलिंग मेंशन करते हो एज ए हॉबी, देन इंटरव्यूअर तो आपको ये नहीं बोलेगा इंटरव्यू के दौरान साइकिलिंग करके दिखाओ, राइट। अगर आप लोग सिंगिंग मेंशन करते हो, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ए गुड सिंगर, क्योंकि गाना गाने को बोल सकते हैं वो लोग, राइट। सो हॉबीज़ मेंशन करने के वक्त या फिर हॉबीज़ बोलने के वक्त बी केयरफुल, राइट। ओके, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे गाइस। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे।